Today, I'll show you how to change line spacing in Squarespace. Whether you're crafting a blog post, designing a portfolio, or setting up your online store, having the right line spacing can make your text more readable and visually appealing. Let's dive into the process and you'll see how simple it is to make these adjustments. First, start by navigating to the page where you want to modify the text. Once there, you'll need to click into the text block that contains the sentences you wish to change. This action will bring up the text editing interface, allowing you to make various formatting adjustments. When you click into the text block, be sure to highlight the specific sentences or paragraphs that you intend to modify. This step is crucial because any changes you make will only apply to the selected text. Now that you have your text highlighted, let's move on to the toolbar. Look for the line spacing icon. This icon is typically represented by vertical arrows placed next to horizontal lines, and it's located within the formatting toolbar above your text. The toolbar gives you access to various formatting options, and the line spacing icon is your gateway to adjusting the spacing between your lines of text. Once you click on the line spacing icon, a menu will appear, offering you several preset options to choose from. Squarespace provides three main presets: small, medium, and large. Each preset changes the space between lines, allowing you to tailor the look of your text to fit your design needs. If you're aiming for a compact look, the small preset might be the best choice. It's great for fitting more text into a smaller space. On the other hand, if you're looking for something that enhances readability or gives a more open feel, the medium or large settings might be more suitable. Larger spacing can be particularly useful for text-heavy sections, making it easier for your audience to read through your content. Choosing between these presets is a matter of style and preference. As you select each option, you'll see your text change in real time, which can help you decide which setting best fits your design aesthetic. It's a good idea to consider the overall layout of your page and how the text spacing aligns with other design elements. Sometimes a simple change in line spacing can make your content stand out or blend seamlessly with other parts of your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly change the line spacing in Squarespace, enhancing both the readability and appearance of your text. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and make further adjustments if needed. Don't hesitate to experiment with the different presets to see what works best for your specific design needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick guide helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Squarespace site. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!